Hey everyone! We're doing something a little different today. We're gonna actually go and see professional dancers encompassing everything that I talk about every day, all day, every day, in every single lesson that you do. And this is so incredibly exciting, so stay tuned, stay right here. Okay, little double pique. Double pique and close, double pique and close, and a pique, close, and a pique and close, and a passe. On the flat, releve, 6, 7, and 8. Double pique and close. With port de bras, close, underneath, underneath, releve to 5th other side, okay? Really underneath, like you have that mirror on the sole of your shoe, and it's coming up under your chin. Under, under. Keeping this relaxed down, bring the hip to passe, all right? Ready? Double pique and close, just for those that didn't remember it. Passe, plie, passe. Releve and close back, reverse the whole thing, other side. For me, after you've done the last one, do a little renverse soutenu, leaving, as I love Lily so much, and then to the other side. All right? Ready? 5th. 5, 6, 7, and up, up. Up, up. Good. Up, up. Up, up. Up, plie. Up, plie. Stay. To the back, and underneath. Up, 5th renverse, and up. Five and 6 and 7 and 8. What's the 5, 6, 7, 8? Up. 5, 6, again, 8, and up. Now here comes that 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, up. Underneath. There. Other side, and up. Nice. I mean, rarely do you do a soutenu just, you know, head connected. There's always that feeling of a little bit of renverse feeling, all right? It's nice to incorporate that when you change sides. If this is your first time to the channel, we would love it if you subscribed. This channel is all about helping you dance better. This is both for you teachers and students. Again, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time.